From the drop stance, move into Kung Fu. What's up everyone? Welcome to Yon Studio, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how to do Shaolin 7 Star Fist or Xing Quan. Now before I show you how to do Shaolin 7 Star Fist, I gotta tell you first that I am just a Wushu practitioner. I'm not doing Shaolin Kung Fu at Shaolin Temple. I just practice Wushu and I learned this Shaolin 7 Star Fist from videos. And as you guys know that Shaolin 7 Star Fist is basically martial, okay, or what we call Kung Fu. Alright, now because I learned what we call Wushu, I'm gonna put that 7 Star Fist into some art, okay. We're gonna make that Shaolin Star Fist looks a lot better, okay, or beautiful, something like that. Now I have been doing this 7 Star Fist for a long time, and this is one of my favorite Wushu form that I practice a lot. So I would like to share with you guys 7 Star Fist or Xing Quan. And now I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to do Shaolin 7 Star Fist. But before that, I want you guys to meet this requirement, okay? First, you guys gotta have 5 basic stances better, okay? I mean, you guys have to practice a lot of Ma Pu, Kung Pu, Shi Pu, Pu Pu, Xie Pu. You have to make sure that those stances are better, alright? In order to perform better Wushu movement, in order to do 7 Star Fist. And then the second one, I want you guys to practice a lot your flexibility, because you're going to require that in this Shaolin 7 Star Fist. But don't worry, you guys don't need to do a crazy intense flexibility training, okay? Because this Shaolin 7 Star Fist is pretty simple, okay? But pretty simple, effective, okay? And easier to learn than any Shaolin form, okay? And then number 3, I want you guys to do a lot of cardio exercise, because this is martial art, okay? You guys need that cardiovascularity. You need a strong stamina in order to perform some movement, okay? Some Kung Fu form or Wushu form. So I hope you guys understand that 3 points that I gave you guys, okay? And now I'm going to show you real quick how to do 7 Star Fist. Let's go. Alright. First, kita main yang Shaolin Kung Fu, okay? There's a bunch of people over there behind this camera, but that's okay, okay? I'm pretty confident every single time, alright? Let me to form, alright? Open your, and then this is something that they call Ting Pu, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Pretty simple. Right. From here, 1, 2, right, 3, Ma Pu, alright, grab Kung Fu, both stance, and then horse stance. Alright, hope you guys got that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, keep practicing like this. Now I will put some speed and power into this move, okay? Right? Okay? Nice? Alright. And now let's move on, okay? From here, we're going to block, right? 3, 4, right? 1, 2, horse stance, turn into bow stance, okay? And then Ting Chou, 1, right? Right. Move on. 3. Okay. move into circle, Thanh Thủy, hook, TC, Thanh Thủy, up, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, alright. Right. Next step, thay chảo, okay. Thay chảo. 1, 2, great. You guys got that? If it's too difficult, then you have to work on your flexibility, okay? Remember that. Alright. And then, 机行步. 1, 2, right? 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Alright? Okay. Very good. 1, 2, 3, and then horse stance. Move into ball stance. Okay? And then the same movement. Bam. Spin. Enjoy. Boom. Okay, you guys got that so far? Okay. Let's do it one more time. 1. Right, from here, move into horse stance to ball stance. That's why this is so important that you guys have to master your basic, okay? 마보고무 춘拳. Right? From here, hook, horse stance, move. Okay, ball stance. Right? And then, horse stance, ball stance. Horse stance, ball stance. Okay? You guys got that? Alright. From here, you guys going to do the same thing. You cut to the bottom, and then Ting Chao. When you do Ting Chao, you have to use that Mapo Kung Fu, right? Like that, alright? Kung Fu, open, do the same thing. Alright? And then we're going to move into this. Okay? Open our hand like this, and then we punch off. Alright? From here, wipe out. Right? And then our stand, both stand. Okay, don't get confused, okay? Just a little practice, a little intense practice, and you guys will get it. Okay, don't worry. Alright, from here, alright, 1, 2, and then, alright, from here, I forgot. Okay, 1, pancho, alright, after pancho, wide bites, alright, and then you move into horse stance, okay, horse stance. Remember, do the same thing, and then from here, okay, alright, bang, and don't smile. Alright, there goes. And then alright, the move is just repeat over and over, okay? Just add a little extra into it, okay? Don't worry, you will get it. Just practice, alright? And then from here, we're going to do 二起脚, alright? 二起脚. From here, you jump, then you jump, 踩脚, and then drop into drop stance, alright? Alright? Now from the dog stance, you're going to hold like this. Right? Drop stance. From the drop stance, move into Kungfu. Alright? Very good. Move. It's just the same, okay? The movement just repeat and repeat, okay? 1, 2. From here. Alright? And then we're going to cross it now. 1, move back. And then the left hand is at the bottom. Bang. And then we cross it. And then a meter four. Alright? So, come on. Last move, alright? Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, okay? That's how to do 7 Star Fist. Hope that helps, okay? Now you guys can find in my other video that I do a lot of 7 Star Fist because this is my favorite form. Alright, and I have been using this as my basic Shaolin Kungfu. Alright, so my favorite Wushu basically Shaolin Kungfu. Alright, I love Shaolin Kung Fu so much, and just a little tips, okay? The way I do this, alright? Basically, I show respect to Bodhidharma. Alright, Bodhidharma, basically the founder of Shaolin Kung Fu. And okay, let's wind. The wind blows so hard, okay? Alright, so the way I do this is to respect Bodhidharma, okay? Hopefully that will give me the confidence, okay, while I'm performing my Shaolin movement, okay. Hope Bodhidharma watching me and give me some support. Alright, that's just my motivation for you guys, okay. Also my motivation for myself. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, okay. I hope you guys learned something from this video. That is Shaolin 7 Star Fist. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys, if you guys want to practice this 7 Star Fist, hope you guys will get it soon. If you guys keep practicing hard, okay? So I think that's pretty much it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.